Hey everybody, I've got my new Citizen Blue Angels uh, atomic or solar watch. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. But this is my first little unboxing of a watch. But I want to make a quick wristwatch check on me. I am wearing my Breitling Chronoliner with the rubber strap. Really cool, Breitling. But I just wanted another a pilot's watch, just so sometimes I don't want to. Some of the areas I go to, especially in South Africa, you don't want to wear a nice watch. Even though this Blue Angels is a nice watch, it doesn't cost anywhere near what the Breitling does. So, and I've always wanted this Blue Angel. So let's check it out. So let me see if I can do this one hand. Alrighty. All right. So. This is the box that it came in. It comes in. Pretty cool. You see, let me go over here. This is where you open it. And there's some little scan codes and stuff on there. Powered by light, Enilight. Okay. And hey, there you go. There's the box that it comes in. All right. Just a little paperwork. Citizen set, protect, register. All right, I'll do that. All right, and so let's check it out, guys. Let's hoping I can do this with one hand. Okay, here we go. Okay. Wow, you saw it move real quick too. Check it out. Check it out. It's nice, and it's already very cool. Yeah. All right, yeah, I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna, I think it has like a 44 millimeter case on it or something like that. Let me just see, take it out of here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. So, yeah, there's a little taggy waggy that's on there. And you know, I was on the F-18 program for quite some time, so this watch is really special to me. Okay. And of course it has the yellow and blue, which is the Blue Angels colors. Inside of it, yellow. There's a nice little Blue Angels, come on, focus. I guess you could see it. That's the Blue Angels symbol there on it, on the back cover for where the case is. So yeah, guys, this is it. I will set it and check it out. To me, this band doesn't feel very sturdy, but this is what it comes with. But it's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I may swap the band out later. We'll see. Keep this band. You know what? Yeah, you know what? That's what I'll probably do. I'll probably take this band off immediately to preserve it. And I'll just get another blue band and put on here. All right. So that is the unboxing of the Citizen Blue Angels Solar Molar High Tech High Flying. It's your attitude, not your. It's your attitude, not your alt. That dictates your altitude watch. Yeah, something like that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.